Hey guys, it's your girl Trixie, your board from Miami girl from the 305. We all the way live. Period. What's good? What's happening? So, you guys, this is basically a get ready with me 36 hours before I head to the airport for ATL. And the vlog is going to be up after this. So, make sure you check it out and make sure you follow me on the gram. So I did get a kinky curly wig, 22 inches. It's not going to look 22 inches since it's kinky curly. 200 density. I did not read that part. Oh. I just saw that the curls looking nice. I'll have the link down below if you guys want this wig. But okay, but this wig is like I put some ice on you because you gotta go. I know I gotta get my money on the. So this is a suitcase, y'all. Lightweight, durable. Yeah, you got a combination lot, 360, yeah, 360 camera. Let me some toothbrushes. They give me a toothbrush with a little travel thing. I want to start at the top and the bottom, baby. You want to shoot with the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top, baby. She wants your name, yo. I'm only doing cash, guys. I need promos. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty because I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you want to do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. Put some ice on you cause you gotta go home. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we having the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my product? Alright, y'all boys, we about to start packing. I just got a lot of things. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you ride at the top. If I hit it running back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. Then she got a husband with her. Take her back to Milo. Got a 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And the name ain't begging, but she a stallion. My whole divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she ride. In the sneakers all Kenzo. Shawty know the drop it low like a liver. How we think it like Timbo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. Anything else? This is my toiletry bag. So we're gonna start fixing the toiletry bag. It got a whole bunch of compartments. I got it from Walmart. It was literally 14 bucks. Okay. Conditioner. Alright, you guys, the suitcase is done. Now it's just time to compress. Snacks. Ooh, my arm. Ooh. I need to go back to the gym. But snacks secured, clothes secured, shoes secured. It's time to do the compression process. Y'all probably like, this is the most. And then boom, like that, just like that, like that. Terry, who killing it like that?
Only you, fam.
Only me. I think we need backup on aisle 9.
That's not even aisle 9. Woo! Oh, look at that. One side on y'all.
Chubby drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I been
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something to me.
I love me some Lovely Tea. Shout out. She's like my favorite internet auntie. Like, she is just, I don't know, I love her. But I finished washing my hair, conditioned it with this.
Get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow fault, man, I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat, I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag, now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags, now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700.
Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor on the barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Put a nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Niggas sweeter than a pound case. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. Lean with the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clip sold on like a lean on it. My nigga like behind ball. Move 100 pounds for a lawyer, beat the charge.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. See me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. Drive me a dessert. That's a regular.
But like the size, I'm not gonna know.
You know,
Am I stressed? Yes.
nobody text me in
But
a
we still
crisis.
finna
I
get this
believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, ain't my piece. A push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot across the spot. Jeff for peace.
Drop the data, now we plot. Exotic peas.
She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian.
Push P.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push P.
Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy. Jump pushing P.
Purple paint, pink, push a P.
Push P.
Push a P,
Push P.
push a P,
Yeah. Push P.
push a P,
Push P.
push a P. Papa P, a paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
Push P.
push a P,
Push P.
push a P.
Alright, hey y'all, so my hair's done. Just got it wrapped up. I'm gonna put some conditioner in it. But we're gonna start getting dressed. And yeah, so let me show y'all the fit. Fit. Alright, so this whole outfit is from Shein besides the socks. And this is from the Spot store. Shein. And then we got the but so I know what to sleep here. So we're gonna brush our teeth. I use the shower.
Push P.
Push a P,
Push P.
push a P.
Yeah.
I'm rich, go against anything like fuck this girl, spin on 30 beats. I put it in for you, I spin for you, whatever you hit, I'm with it. How you gon' post a nigga rockin' with you, I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, piping the pen and dancing to my legit. I been spinning on business, spinning.
talking like $1 million, $1,000,000. Y'all wanna see? Y'all finna see the full look, but oof. Titties busting out the. Alright, you guys. So we're signing out, and we're going to the Uber. Water now? Oh my gosh. Alright, so we just checked our bags in. Oh, a Spider-Man car seat. I'm tired. So what was our first hour like? You're not gonna get the details? Okay, I'll get the details. So we was at a gate, right? It was gate 7, door 17. Right now we passing door 28. So we went all the way to door 32. So we walked downstairs and went to we made a left when we were supposed to make a right. And people, it was so confusing, but we checked in our bags. So our bags are checked in. Now we're gonna go walk back. I guess we're getting the spirit experience that I wanted. Oops, someone's lost. But so my sister put her headphones on to tune me out of the world. How nice is that? TSA was smooth. From the G to the A, put respect on. Hey guys, so guess what? We just paid $30 for 2 of this and 2 of this, as you've seen in the previous clip. This might be one interesting, bro. Sure. So we just finished our last supper. What? Our last supper. Our last supper. Damn, them niggas roll running on there.
What? They don't want to put your suitcase in the phone. So watch it out. Because you might end up without a suitcase.
God, please, amen.
Personal item, 1 paid carry-on. If you're traveling with the carry-on, please show your boarding pass must indicate that you are in the zone 1. If you're traveling with a car seat, a stroller, or wheelchair, please continue.
Hey, cricket letter. Ah!
You're not going to get us kicked up today.
Cat. ATO Jacob, yeah.
Understand I can't take it everywhere, nigga. I just feel like
Well, I'm still close to tricks.
I can't imagine what we making. I ain't never up on my dreams, I was chasing. Young nigga, you gon' blow, but you just gotta remain patient. I can't believe they really let me shine, I was waiting. I can't believe they really let me shine, I was waiting. They ain't really wanna see me win, they were faking.